This tutorial will show you how to add multiple video clips in CapCut PC completely for free. If you like the video, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so this is the second part or series on how to add multiple video tracks. Okay, so once you have CapCut PC, as you can see, it's CapCut right here for Windows. I basically have 6 images or clips that I'd basically like to add on. Okay, so I'm gonna click, hold and drag on our timeline, and let's say 2 seconds. I want to add this. You can click, you can hold and drag it above, and as you can see, it added another video layer. And then let's say 4 seconds, you can do the same thing, click, hold and drag. But if you want to make this a little bit simpler, instead of just having 1, 2, and 3 or multiple video clips or layers, you can go over right here. This is the magic tip, trick, and secret. You go to the left and you want to lock your track. As you can see, we locked it. So now if we were to go over, we can now, let's say, click this image and then go to the bottom right hand screen and click add to track. And as you can see, it added it completely. Instead of you had to do the extra step of click, hold, and then drag. See, so now we can go back to here, go to the left hand and click lock, the second option, and then go over, click the plus icon, and it just adds it on. Or should I say this is the before and this is the after. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.